Hey guys, how's it going? So we're continuing from question 15. Okay, so this one it's not as tough as it would seem. Okay, so on face value, but then here it says 15a. It says on March 1st 2008. Okay, so on 1 March 2008, a farmer deposited this much money. Okay, so 36,000 into a bank account. On the 30th of June 2008, so on 30 June 2008, the account balance had bumped up. Okay, so it was now 36,600. And you asked to calculate the time of investment as a fraction of a year in its simplest form. Okay, so the time of investment as a fraction of a year. So you asked to calculate the time of investment. Okay, so here you have the 1st of March, okay, up to the 30th of June. So obviously the investment is for March, then April. So these are months. Okay, so you're supposed to capitalize everything here. So I'm going to correct this real fast. So March, April, May, and June. Okay, so it's for all these months. So how many are there? So we're including June just because it's ending on the 30th of June. We're including March just because it's starting on the 1st of March. That means the month is included. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 months out of 12 months per year. Okay, so you have 1/3 years. So this one would be the time is a fraction of a year in the simplest form. Okay, so it'd be 1/3. If you want, you can just say 1/3. It's still fine, but then it's 1/3 years. Okay, so if you want, you can say 1/3 year. It's still fine again. And on the second part, you asked for the interest rate percent per annum. So here the interest rate is corresponding to 1/3 years. So you can actually use a simple proportion. Okay, so the interest rate would be the interest rate for this much. So for 1/3 year, the interest rate was it should be 36,600 minus 36,000. Okay, so you actually get 600. Yeah, so $600. If you want, you can even show working and say 36,600 minus 36,000. Okay, so here you want for 1 year. So 1 year it should be what? It should be more. If you want, you can just invert this and then multiply it. It would still be fine. Okay, so if it's more, then bigger number at the top. So you should get 1 over 3. 1 over 3 means you're dealing with 1 divided by 1 over 3. That's what it simply means. Then multiply by what? By 600. So using a simple proportion here, 600, it's dollars. So here you should get, if you put multiplied here, then this one has to invert. So you should get 3 over 1 here. Multiply by 600. So you actually get 1,800 like this. So you actually get 1,800. Another way to think of it is just logical reasoning. Okay, so you have for the 4 months they've given you 600, and you have 12 months in a year. So obviously you're going to get 600 more for the next 4 months, and then you're going to get 600 more. So you're getting $600 3 times a year. So obviously it should work out to 1,800. So that's how you're supposed to do it. There wasn't any anything about, you know, simple interest equal to principal times rate times time or anything like that. Okay, so this one was simpler. Let's see if we can do the B part. The B part, it's all about conversion, kinds of conversion. Okay, so given an exchange rate of $1 is to, so use simple proportion for these questions. So questions involving conversions, we can use simple proportions. Convert $210 to rands. So $210 must be, obviously it must be more. If it's more, you say bigger number at the top. So you actually get 210 divided by, multiply by r, then here 750. Okay, so here obviously these ones they cancel, and then you're just supposed to work out 210 multiplied by 750. So it should be you can write here as, if you want you can even say 750, it's still fine, but then when you say 750 you should know that you're dealing with 2 decimal places. So you can put your 2 decimal places here, just like what we do in primary school. Okay, so this one you should put 2 placeholders first, so you put 2 zeros first because we are dealing with the 7 here. Okay, so here 7 multiplied by is 0, then you get 0. 7 multiplied by 1, then you get 7, then here you get 14. Then you should put another 0 again, since we're dealing with this 5 here. It's one place away from the unit digit. Okay, so here you get 0, here you get 5, and here you get 10. So you actually write 10 here, and then the 0 obviously it's not necessary to do because it's just yields 0. So you add here, you get 0, 0, then this one yields 5, and then this one 7, this one 5, this one 1, and then you're dealing with 2 decimal places, so up to here. So the money would be what? Would be rands 1,575, like this. Okay, so this is how you'd work it out. So let's see if we can do another question. I think we still have time, so we can afford another question. This question says we're given a list of marks obtained by a group of students. Okay, so a group of students obtained these marks here, and then you're asked to identify the mode. So the mode simply means the value with the highest frequency. So how many, if you have, let's say, how many students are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students. What was the most common mark? That's exactly what they're asking. So the mode of transport, when you talk of mode of transport, you can say, okay, the mode of transport, maybe it's road or something like that in Zimbabwe. It means that that's the most common. Okay, so here the most common is 18. It actually appears 3 times. We call this frequency. So 18 has the highest frequency here, so you can write 18 here. Okay, so the median, in order for you to get the median, you first have to arrange these either in ascending or descending order. Okay, so here I'm going to arrange them in ascending order, so it should be 12, and then after 12 we're supposed to 14 here, then we don't have anything, so 12 here. Let me rub this part so that we know that we have everything caught up. So 12 here, then 14, then after 14 we have these 18s. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put 18, we're going to put 18 again, we're going to put 18 again. We're just arranging in ascending order. Then 19, then 20. Okay, so then 19, then 20. The median simply means the number in the middle. So how many terms do you have again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you want to work it out in a math way, so the median should be the nth term, where you have number of terms here. It's equal to 7. So n plus 1 here over 2. So here number of terms was 7. That's why I put this one. So you actually get 8 over 2 here. So you're looking at the 4th term. So the 4th term would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one would be the median. So 18 is again the median. So 18 is the mode, and it's also the median. If 2 more marks, so x and x plus 1, are included in the list, the mean becomes 16. So I asked to find x. So if these were just simple numbers, what you'd have done is to just add everything. So it'd be saying the mean, which is equal to, obviously it's equal to 16, is equal to, how do you work this out? Okay, so the mean, you'd work it out by saying 20 plus 18 plus 12 plus 19 plus 18 plus 14 plus 18 then plus x plus 1. Okay, so we are now including these two terms here. Then O divided by, we had 7 terms here, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now we have 9 terms, okay, because we have added 2 terms here. So here you can actually just cross multiply here and then get 16 by 9, and then here you should be able to add everything. Okay, so just pause the video and then add this one and then see what you get. So you should be able to get 120 plus 2x. Okay, so this is what you should be able to get. And 16 by 9, 16 by 9 you can also work it out. So 16 by 9 here, 9 by 6 you get 54. So 4k, you leave 4 and then you carry the 5. And then here 9 times 1, then you get 9, then plus this one, then you get 14. Okay, so you get 144. So this one is 144 equal to 120 plus 2x here. Then you get 2x here. I'm going to transpose this one to the side, so it becomes 144 minus 120. So let me write this properly. So minus 120 like this. So this one minus this one, you get 24. Okay, so you get here, I'm going to continue on the spot here. So you get 24 equal to 2x. Then you divide both sides by 2. Then you get x equal to 12. Okay, so you get x equal to 12 like this. So this is how you'd work it out. So that's just about it for this video. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yuba out.